gangster doggy again. Right, Joe, cops up. Doggy. Still got his hat on. The doggy's got his hat on.
Sit down.
Tastes like strawberry fruit shoot.
Summer fruit, isn't it?
Yeah. 99% sure that's a spit bird.
Okay, you got an itch. You got an itch here, son. Lovely. We got an itch. You got an itch in here. We got an itch in there.
I'm guessing you don't want the cap. No, what is that flaming dog doing? He's gonna end up jumping, isn't he? He's alright now. Stupid doggy. Okay.
Today it is, and we have to run. Hey Dad, this is hard.
Yeah, no crap.
Would it hurt if I fell?
Yeah,
Why?
because you're sliding on concrete. No. No. That is an army helicopter.
Yeah. Should we go and hitch a ride? Dad, come on.
Come on, get closer. Get closer, the nice. I'm just waiting for the GTA cargo bob to go past. It's GTA. So you've already seen the Spitfire. They make a dog get a drink. I don't think you can see that chopper very well. It's on the horizon. That flaming helicopter. Silly Billy cargo bob. Where is it now? It's above the pier, isn't it? It's at the end. God damn, where is that? Where is it on the camera? There you can see it, it's a blur. Please stay away, can't stay there. Where is it? Yeah, it's a cargo bob, dumbass. There's the little cargo bob of GTA. He's so child. That's not being a pedo, because I am a child. Ha ha ha. Why is it frigging itself around the pier, you bloody weirdo? Pedo. It's so loud. You can see it's just that blob. It's that blob. There. No, 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 no. Oh, it's flying up now. Where is it? Where's the mysterious blob? Why is it still going up? Is it going to stall? No! Yeah! You will die! It looks amazing. I think the blade's spin opposite way.